Welcome, everyone, and Merry Christmas to everyone out there that sees this video. I hope you have a very, very wonderful holiday season, and I hope you're all ready for it. I am. All right. Anyway, this is just a little video of falling a balsam, grand fir, white fir, whatever you want to call it. Running the Taz XP, the 372 XP Farmer Tech, built by Aaron A. Lynch and John Bob Millwright. All right, everybody. Like I said, Merry Christmas. Thank you all. Welcome to all the new subscribers. And thank you to everybody that's been here for any amount of time. Whether it's 1 minute, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. I truly, truly appreciate it. Love you all. Take care and be safe. TazMan is rolling. Stay tuned. Welcome, everyone. Another nice, beautiful day. It's nice and cool out this morning. All the snow is gone from the wood hole that we had, the little speck of snow we had last time I was up here. Yeah. Today we're going to be cutting a grand fir tree. And it's like the rest of them. It goes a couple different ways. It's nothing humongous. Just right size of wood to get a nice load of wood in the Toyota. Yeah, the bark's falling off up above. There's some chunks of bark falling off, so we'll definitely be heads up. Just like always, no matter what, green tree, dead tree, don't matter. If I'm following it, I'm heads up, right? And yeah, and maybe we can help somebody somewhere along in the video today. Hopefully somebody can pick something up. Maybe something to try, something to whatever, to whatever, because that's why I'm here. I'm not here just to show TazMan fallen trees and whatever and firewood. This to me, this is to possibly help someone if there's a chance, without definitely just like singling something out and specifically talking about one certain thing. There are things throughout this video. There will be things throughout this video that people can pick up. I know there are people out there that know everything. They know it all. They've done it all. They've been there. They've done that. Whatever. Okay, I get that. And I'm proud. I'm proud to have people like that come and watch my channel. I appreciate that. But I also appreciate the people who are learning. There are young people out there that are getting into chainsaws and axes and life in general. Just getting outside and doing things, having the inspiration, something to grasp onto, to get up out of the chair and outside. Whether it's going out, I said it a long time ago, way over a year ago. I don't care if it's going to the river and throwing rocks, to the lake and throwing rocks, skipping rocks, or going and counting birds. It doesn't even matter. Just get outside and do something, right? Okay, anyway, back where I was at with people picking things up. It's not, there's people from a wide range of ages that come to this channel, that are in this community. Everywhere from, I would say 10, 14 to 80, right? So there's a wide range of knowledge in there that we all get. We all have the opportunity to exist with and communicate with and be part of. So for all the people that come here to just to watch the videos, I appreciate it. I love all your support. Anyway, let's get to this tree. I'll show it to you and we'll check it out. All right. Look, that's it right there. See this? See this right here? This strip right here, that dark strip, that's from a lightning strike. Way back when. Not sure if I don't think that's what killed it, because there is, anyway, you can see the bark. I'm going to zoom in. You can see the bark here starting to shave off, starting to come off. Good sign that that's going to be good wood up there. Okay. The very top of it's just out in the sunshine. We'll zoom back out and we'll take a walk around the tree. Okay. there's another big old chunk of bark missing right there in the center of the screen. You see that? Things to be aware of. That might not kill you if a chunk of bark falls off of it and hits you, because this is thinner bark, but it sure ain't going to feel good, and it's going to scare the crap out of you, especially when you're running one of those, okay? So as we go up, oh, there's a nice woodpecker hole right there in that little guy. See it? Oh, yeah, that busted off stop. We'll try not to damage that, okay? So you saw the curve in it. And we're going to go that way with it. See the trail right there? That's where we're going to try to put it. We're going to try to put it right in that trail. Okay? The pickup's down there, down over the hill. That's a hill. It's not right there. It's out of reach of the tree. The old 350 sitting over there on the stump taking a break. we're cut up. That was nice. I went a little too far in on my undercut, but recognized it and stayed the course. And look at all the holding wood all the way across the stump. The center's got a tiny bit of rot in it, not much, but the rest of it is sound. But you notice that I got, and like I said, I took notice to it. I noticed that I went deep, a little too deep. It happens, right? But I noticed it, and that's why I got that wedge in there as soon as I could. It was pretty tight against the bar. I may have cut it a little bit. That's no big deal to me, right? So knowing that I went too deep on the face cut, as soon as I got in, then I wanted that cut or that wedge in there right behind, and then just followed it in, tap, tap, tap. It never lost any ground. That tree could have went either way. I could have felled that tree either way with the bend that it had in it, right? Okay, so now I'm going to go back down the hill, and I'm going to get the pickup, okay? I'm going to back the pickup up this road to the log. See how that shaved, that square ground? Oh yeah, that square ground sure nice. Sure is nice. Another square cutter. Squarejig.com. Go check them out. It's no joke. Works like a champ. It's like everything else. Takes a little bit of setting up to get going, but once you get it, you got it, and you're cutting, and it's cut straight, sharp, fast.